So when I'm on a PC, there's two main ways to annotate. Now, I guess there's many others, such as writing inside a PDF document. But on a PC, annotating inside a Word document and annotating inside a PowerPoint document is a very, very easy thing to do that doesn't require outside software. Now, in order to annotate within a Word document, you need to be running Windows 7 and a version of Microsoft Office 2007 or later. Okay, so I'm going to show you both Word and PowerPoint, assuming that you do have those specifications. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to pull up my Word document. Okay. And in order to access the pen tool, the first thing you need to do is actually download your tablet driver. So if you're using a Wacom Bamboo, you need to download those drivers, and there's a link to those in the tools section of flipteaching.com. So up here in the menu, I see this review button. When I click this review button, I then go over here to the right and I can access my pen tools. And I can get my highlighter. Okay. I can use a felt tip pen, my ballpoint pen, and this is really nice because I'm inside the document. I can save these annotations. I can change color very easily and the weight of the pen. Okay. So once I've decided what kind of pen I want to use, erase all this actually very easily. I'm going to open up my screen recorder, and for the sake of this workshop, we're all going to be using Jing Pro for screen recording. So when you load Jing Pro, this sun appears in the very top of your computer screen. So I'm going to click this button here at the left, and I'm only going to capture that part of the screen that I want to show up in my instructional screencast. So let's say it's that right there. I'm going to click this little capture video button. I have my countdown, and now I can access my pens. There's the ballpoint pen, and I can begin creating my screencast, writing over whatever on this worksheet. When I'm done, I'm going to click this stop button. I'm going to review my screencast. I have my countdown, and now I can access my pens. There's the ballpoint pen, and I can begin creating. Okay. You can customize your buttons down here. For instance, you can add a direct upload to YouTube button, and in one click, once you label it, you can upload this screencast directly to YouTube, even Twitter and Facebook, and put it directly into your website. Okay. So I'm going to cancel out of this. Excuse me. Close out of this. And now let's write inside PowerPoint. So let me show you how to access that pen tool first. So I have some random PowerPoint presentation here. And just like in Word, when you're not in presentation mode, just clicking this review button allows you to access your various pen tools. But the thing about PowerPoint that's really useful is to access those tools when you are in presentation mode. So I'm going to get in presentation mode here, and when I hover over the bottom left, the pen appears. And I can choose them. I'm going to choose the felt tip pen. And I can go ahead and make my annotations. I can change. I can move to my highlighter. And as I scroll through the presentation, when I come back, my annotations are still there. And this is something that's unique to the PC and a really, really powerful way to record. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to activate Jing Pro. The cool thing about Jing Pro is it stays active even when you're in presentation mode. I'm going to choose that part of the screen that I want to record. I'm going to hit record. Okay. And I'm going to go through and create my instructional screencast. It's kind of in the way of the pen tool there, but if I hover down below, it's going to appear. And I can create my screencast as I go. Obviously, I'm going to write things that are a little bit more educational per se. When I'm done, I'm going to click this pause button. I'm going to go through and create my instructional screencast. It's kind of in the way of the and just like last time, you can go ahead and upload directly to YouTube.